Hello everybody, and this is size 8 straight shank hook, and this is a 4mm red bead, and the thread I'm using is Chartreuse 60. So I'm just gonna start below the eye. I will show all the materials as I go along, so keep going. Just on the bend, stop here. Tail white Marabou, so just take some, and once you catch them, just kind of give them twist and clean this end. Now we need kind of body length, so I'm just gonna give a couple of turns and see if they're sitting okay. That's fine. Also, for the body, this is a cactus, micro cactus chenille. It's a chartreuse, fluorescent chartreuse, and just take one side off and catch at the same time. Also, okay, to catch the hackle, I'm using this is clear thread. It's a mono actually, and it's much better using this one because it's invisible. So make sure you catch it properly, and then use touch and turn just to go all the way up to the head. Now here I'm going to use a Grizzly hackle. This is a cock hackle, and just going to cut this. I normally put them around like this because I find it a lot easier, and I mean you can do it normal way, but I think okay. Now what I'm going to do, go in the front of the feather, and I'm just going to finish off with this thread so I can have a clear path. In fact, no, my fault, not yet, sorry. And just bring your chenille, so keep everything on the side, and then use your touch and turn. It's really brilliant color, you know. Vibrant colors are really good. They're good for all year round, but especially when you're fishing in winter, I just like all the colors, you know. So now once you caught this, secure it properly, and basically now you can cut and finish off with this thread so we can use the other thread. So okay, and I'm gonna bring this hackle now. So basically what you have to do, just give 2 turn in the front, and I'm going to use a hackle plier, and then just open up the gap so we can see the body, and then hold this on the side and catch it with this mono. Now make sure you do 2 to 3 turn just in here so it's secure properly, and then catch each turn when you're coming back towards the head. Okay, fold everything back. Seems okay. It's a very fine thread, this mono, but it's really good for catching hackles, and so basically I'm gonna keep going until I get secure everything properly. So this is it, and that's the whip finish. I'm gonna do 2 whip finish here because mono does slip sometimes. So now I'm gonna cut the tail. Basically the length is up to you. Normally I do leave a little longer tail, you know, for these patterns. So if you're fishing deep waters and just make sure you use varnish on the head. Be careful when you're doing the, you know, when you use the varnish, make sure it's a thin varnish so it gets absorbed nicely into the head. So there you have it, Grizzly cat's whisker. You can put some color in the tail actually, but I tie mine with plain Marabou, and because it moves much better. Great pattern all year round, especially in cold weather. You can fish with a sinking or intermediate line. And I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching.